The WXD 160 WCS is part of the newest Miele compact laundry introduction. In this video, you'll learn all of Miele's best features and a few problems. The biggest problem is finding compact laundry of any type, so we will also compare all your available and unavailable options. The WXD 160 WCS is an improvement from last year's model. To recap, one of the best features is the honeycomb drum. The perforations allow you to wash delicates because the clothes glide on water instead of being rotated by the metal drum. You have regular detergent dispensing. However, in the Miele, you also have caplet dispensing. It's the only caplet dispenser for a compact washer. You can use your own detergents or Miele's. They have specialty caplets for different fabrics like silks, down, and outdoor clothing. There are 11 different wash programs covering the basics. At 1600 RPM, Miele has the fastest spin speed of any washer, so your clothes are drier out of the washer for less time in the dryer. Steam has been added as a feature on this machine. Last year, they offered steam in their better models. Steam helps loosen tough stains like red wine without rewashing. Miele and Samsung are the only manufacturers with steam in a compact washer. The WXD 160 also has smart functionality and can be controlled through the Miele app on your phone. I'm not a fan of smart appliances yet. The functionality is basic, but I do like smart for laundry because you can see when the cycle ends and receive a text when the cycle is done. You select compact laundry based on how the dryer vents. Typically, large laundry is vented through your house to the outside, whereas most compact laundry like Miele is ventless or self-contained. Miele offers the most efficient style using a heat pump instead of dryer elements. Heat pumps use compressors to store and recycle heat, and it doesn't emit heat back into the room. Miele's design is different because it operates at 110 volt versus 220 volt for the others. This is a washer review, so I don't want to elaborate too much on the dryer, but it's pretty innovative technology, drying by detecting mineral content in the water and also allowing you to add custom fragrances to the load. So for $24.99, it is an excellent set of laundry. The 500 series Bosch is the best comparison at $13.49 for the washer. Bosch is more of a cycle-oriented machine with cycle-reducing times like Speed Perfect, matching dryers at 220 volt heat pump. Bosch is the most reliable compact set in the industry and perhaps one of the most reliable appliances sold at 2.5% reliability in the first year versus Miele at 8.6% based on internal service numbers. Then again, Miele was new last year with a brand new 110 volt dryer. I would expect Miele's reliability numbers to be much better in the future. Miele does have the steam, cap dosing, the honeycomb drum, and a faster RPM than the Bosch. Both are excellent choices if you can buy either. Beko has become popular due to its better availability. It's a Turkish brand. Beko has decent programs, excellent reliability at 5.2% service in the first year, and a 220 volt heat pump dryer. It is in fact less than the Miele by $200, but Miele has better features including steam, a better spin speed, a better drum, and smart functionality. Yes, you should, if you can, although the same can be said for Bosch or any other manufacturer. However, you do have the best features including steam and now Wi-Fi at a similar price as last year's models. It is the best featured compact laundry on the market, if you can find one. Click the link to download our free compact laundry buying guide to learn more about all the most popular brands, get answers to frequently asked questions, and learn buying strategies to save you money. Almost 1 million people found answers in a Yale guide. Thanks for watching.